Alright, in this video we are going to list the possible zeros or roots for this function according to the rational root theorem. According to the rational root theorem, the possible rational roots are going to come from the constant term on the end and the leading coefficient, which is 1 in this case. Now I'm putting an n here and a d here because according to the rational root theorem, all of the numerators are going to come from the 22 and all of the denominators are going to come from the 1, meaning the numerators will be factors of 22. Now think about 22. You can make a factor tree if you need to. 22, this is 2 times 11, and both of these are prime numbers, so these will, other than 1, these will be the only numbers that are factors of 22. So my complete list of factors of 22 are 1, 2, and 11. So those are my possible numerators of rational roots. Now 1 is the only thing that divides evenly into 1, so that's it. Okay, now if we want to write a list of the possible rational roots or the possible rational zeros, same thing, we're just going to mix and match numerators and denominators. Well, I only have one denominator, so if I take each of these and put it over 1, I'm going to get 1, 2, and 11. 1 over 1 is 1, 2 over 1 is 2, 11 over 1 is 11. We just have to put plus or minus in front of these because they could be plus or minus, and that's it. These are the only possible rational roots. Alright, there might be imaginary roots like 3i or something, and there might be irrational roots like square root of 2, but of the roots that don't include imaginary numbers or radicals, it would have to be one of these. So anyway, let's find this list to see what the answer would be. Oh wait, I forgot about 22 itself. I kind of messed that up. I forgot about 22. Do I want to do this whole video over again? I don't think so. Just going to modify. I did my little factor tree. I got 2 and 11. I added 1 on here, but I forgot about the number itself, 22. Alright, is always going to be a factor. A number will always be a factor of itself. So I should have said 4 numerators. So that's going to give me plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 11, and plus or minus, that's a hashtag, plus or minus 22. Okay, so there are no fractions on here, so forget about that. 1, 2, 11, 22. 1, 2, 11, 22. So the answer is B.